called the Dallas Bar Association.
Okay, you have a legal clinic line?
That will be with the lawyer referral services. Let me transfer you.
Okay.
Thank you for calling the Dallas Bar Association Lawyer Referral Service. Our office is open from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., Monday through Friday. Para español, oprima el uno.
This is what they have, and they don't want me to speak with an attorney. Attorneys will answer questions at no cost, free from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. on Wednesdays via a legal clinic sponsored by the Dallas Bar.
In the area, press 3.
They transferred the call, and then I got placed back into the queue.
And from 2 p.m. until 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday. Our office is closed from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. for lunch. For assistance in English, please hold.
This is
The attorneys will provide up to 15 minutes of legal advice via phone at no cost. To participate, you must complete the online form found at www.dallasbar.org under the For the Public menu tab. Space is limited each week. Registration opens every Wednesday at 9 p.m. and closes every Tuesday at 5 p.m. Please check our website.
They're saying that there's no legal service
for the
tonight.
next scheduled legal line. You can be referred to an attorney by contacting the Lawyer Referral Service, which is open Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m.
So when I'm trying to get it,
p.m.
they don't have it.
They may be reached at 214.
Like they said with the pick up program, no one's getting services at this time. Until I uploaded the video, I mean, it's the Twilight Zone. I have never seen it. Wow.
Bar Association. Para español, oprime número 0. If you are in need of a lawyer referral.
This is scary. It's really terrifying, like a horror movie. I may not act like it, but to have all this extreme events, and now the apartment complex told me to come by. It's not even safe for me to get services. The terror just speaking with normal people.
Thank you for calling
the violation of rights.
Para español, oprime número 0.
They transfer me back into queue again.
If you know the extension of the person you are calling, you may dial.
So I'm pressing 0 again.
Please wait while I transfer your call.
They transfer me back into the queue again. I'm not allowed to get the legal hotline.
Referral, please press 1 now. For the lawyer association call, please press 0.
Trying one more time and see if I'm allowed. Send the number.
Calling the Dallas Bar Association.
They won't let me speak to them.
Service.
I keep getting transferred back into the
from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m.
It's not closing time.
First,
I don't know if you got the time.
For assistance with the Dallas Bar Association Lawyer Referral Service, please press 1. Calling the Dallas Bar
I press 1. They're still not letting me speak with them.
Our office is open from 8:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. and from 2 p.m. until 4:30 p.m.
Okay, I'm calling legal aid of Northwest Texas. My phone is malfunctioning and won't let me hit website. They redo the websites and hide information. It does not want me to look at that website. So I have to try another area to go to this website. You see it for yourself. It will not pull up that website. This is criminal. Now it's opening up a location instead of the website. This is a crime. You're witnessing all these crimes. You just can't break into someone's device year after year. So I'm going the long way around to get it, and it still won't let me look at it. It's sick. So, I begged for my life a long time and lived in an extreme amount of terror that just a lot of people just really didn't care about at all. Yes, can I get information on what you do on this line?
On this line?
Right.
I'm the receptionist here, ma'am. What kind of help are you needing?
The help I need is to know what you do.
I'm the receptionist. And legal aid, we assist with civil cases.
Okay.
Divorce, custody, child support, landlord, bankruptcy.
Okay, I need to speak with the supervisor because I've already applied and went through that long, drawn-out process with a multitude of legal aids. and there's a conspiracy to violate my civil rights, and they had no right to deprive me of all services and advocacy and information. So it says here, it didn't want to come up, free civil legal help through representation and advocacy that meets our mission of ensuring equal access to justice. It doesn't say you isolate people and discriminate and deprive them of services like I was mistreated and that happened to me.
Okay, and do you know the person that mistreated you?
Can I give you my information?
What's your name?
It's Keyana, Keyana.
Okay, your last name?
Clark, Clark.
Okay, hold on.
Okay. So on this hotline, you don't have any information on any legal advice or anything calling the legal aid of Northwest Texas?
Like information like what?
Do you have any at all? I'm just trying to see your job, task, and duty.
That's what I'm trying to see. Is information like what? What do you?
I don't.
Get, like,
I mean, what information? What information do you have?
Okay. Only thing I can do is just if you're calling about your status, I can only transfer you to the secretary or the attorney.
So you have no legal knowledge, period, answering the phone for the legal aid of Northwest Texas.
I do, but I'm not to give you that information because I'm just a receptionist. So you have to speak to actually the secretary or the attorney that's handling your case. Okay,
what if they didn't give it to me? So calling the legal aid of Northwest Texas, you don't want to give me any legal information. It says providing free civil legal help.
Okay, so which case are you calling about? Because it shows that you have 3 cases here.
I didn't get anything for any of them. No one wanted to give me information calling the legal aid line. I don't understand how I can call a legal aid line and then they still don't want to give me legal information. So I had 3 cases. What kind of representation did I get?
You never got representation. They all been closed. Your case has been closed.
They never gave me legal representation.
Okay, whenever you apply here, it's not a guarantee that we're able to assist you.
I hasn't been, I mean, commit conspiracy to violate civil rights is criminal. Why would they deprive me of services everywhere I go? Even legal aid lines and in person.
We don't help with criminal cases here, ma'am.
I don't know what you're talking about, criminal cases. Are you gaslighting me, ma'am?
You just say criminal, so that's what I'm saying.
Okay. What I'm saying is I do get deprived of services all over the place. So how do I get the legal advice?
Okay. We don't give just legal advice over the phone. So if you want to speak to the person that's handling your case, I could transfer you to them.
Okay.
Would you like for me to transfer you to them?
Yes. Are they available now?
I'm not for sure because they're all working from home.
Okay. Let's see how this works.
One moment.
Free civil legal help. She just blatantly lied and said they don't offer it. Blatant lies. Representation, advocacy that meets our mission. But they redo these sites to be not really give you a lot of information. So I don't know what's really going on, if this is a real site or not. That's why it wouldn't let me look it up. You can easily think, oh no, that's because no, they do it in person. Someone is deliberately interrupting every avenue. I went in Waco. And then I went to other locations. I went to a place in Tyler. They will not give me the legal aids won't help, and real attorneys paying them will not help. And for the person like me, I don't like this Twilight Zone because I want to know things. And it's difficult to be deprived of information to know what's going on with my experience is torture. So I guess I just have to be forced to read a book to learn because they're not up in any information.
Hi, you've reached the voicemail for Aaron Lamb. Please leave a message and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Keyana Clark. I talked to you and you were very vague about the experience, and you told me that the stalker probably wasn't going to get any charges and it probably wasn't him doing it. And, I was trying to get information on a protection order and information on my child custody rights, and you kind of were all over the place and then blamed me for it and then didn't give me legal representation for 3 different situations. I thought that was against my constitutional rights. So I'm not quite sure what happened and why you would deprive me of education after I did all of these long, drawn out things to get assistance and was still deprived of it. like at a multitude of locations, I informed you about that. So if you were deliberately trying to sabotage assistance, I would like to know what are the repercussions to a multitude of people conspiring to violate my constitutional rights. My contact number. So we have another day, countless hours like a job, and hardly nothing resolved. You know, this is 100 years. I just want to be treated like a normal human being and be able to have rights and not have people lie and con to deprive me of any information. I just think it needs to end. So I guess I'm done. It is now 4:39. I think I started this at 6 something this morning, and I'm typically on it like a job. And I'm just not really getting a lot of results, and it's hard when the government interrupts, abuses power and force to interrupt. So let's see what apartment complex has going on, because normally, like I said, I typically would feel terrified because they wanted it to sting that I even asked for help. In some locations, I was pushed, shoved, violated, a psychological abuse, and even arrested and assaulted. So I don't have rights like other people. They want to make a point that I'm not allowed services that other people are allowed for profit. So let's see how this works.